What's up, YouTube? Shuddy here. We're back. It's been a while. Not a while, but it's been a little bit since our last video, and I've made it a journey to make sure we open at least one of all these special. I think these were more for like Christmas. They came out, but it's all these. The Snorlax we actually have. For a future video, we have the Greninja, all these stamp promo boxes, Shrouded Fable, Stellar Crown, we got Prismatic and Twilight. And I think there's two other ones. There's a Lugia box with Latios, but we're gonna eventually open all of those. I need all the promos, and we got 3 Journey Together booster bundles. And I know it's not everybody's favorite set, but we need a lot from this set yet, so we're going to try to hit one of these big cards on the front. We need all 4 of these SIRs. So, I think we just get right into one of these booster bundles and see what we can do. The hype is crazy right now for anything Pokemon with the 30th anniversary coming. Man, that stuff, I was in line on Walmart for an hour and a half online for Ascended Heroes. Didn't get anything. I can only imagine what the 30th anniversary stuff's going to be. But we're going to really do our best to hopefully get some. We'll get something, but... Alright, our first pack, what are we going to get? Any SIR, really. We got Skwovet. We need a lot of the reverses from Journey. Like I've said a couple times, Journey, we did not open much of. Mincino. Right off the bat, we get an IR Furret. Such a cutesy card. I'm really big into errors again, so any errors we can get would be awesome. I'm gonna grab some hard sleeves. But the Journey, I think I only just recently realized, isn't as big of a set as I thought it was. So, it kind of reminds me of Phantasmal. It's definitely bigger than Phantasmal, but we got Furret. Alright, so first pack we get a hit. That is a great start. But I have had some people ask about the error collection, so we might be doing a video at some point just to showcase my error binder. We got Wingull, we got Swine, another Cooper, another, oh look at that, the same uncommons. We got Rimbombe, reverse rare, a Coughing, and an Ends Reshiram. We are gonna sleeve up this reverse rare, because I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna need it. Believe it or not, we are pretty close at completing the main set for Journey. As far as having all the cards, we just need a lot of reverses and a lot of SIRs. I think we only need like 1 full art, 2 IRs. We got Wooloo, Sandaconda, and a T-Tar. Really good hollows in this set. Come on. And of course, we got Destined Rivals. We need the big card, I think, from all 4 of these sets. We never pulled the Greninja, the Beehole, Pikachu, or the Mewtwo. And we're going to pull Lily's Clefairy right now. Actually, from this set, I really want the Salamence. We got Pelipper, Greedent, Weezing, Zorora, and Butterfree. Started out big. Now we're falling off a little, but we'll bring it back. Come on. Only takes one. Bygone. Cling clang. Squawkabilly. Corvisquire. Kilowattrel. Woo! This was it's good we got that ferret in the beginning. Come on. We're gonna start and end with a hit. I think we got an EX. Regice. Corviknight. We got a Spike. Delmise. Swine. And a Veluza EX. And believe it or not, I think we need this. So, very awesome. We're gonna get right into another one. I don't want this video to be crazy long, but we do got almost 30 packs, so. We got Fungus, Dancing Darumaka, Corviknight. Look at that, we almost got a miscut, it's getting close. Ferret, Darmanitan, and Magmortar. Look at that, double ferrets. Milcery, Virizion, Articuno, common. Love to see that. We need that reverse. Pancham, and a Meowscarada. Man, these booster bundles are brutal. Come on. Lotad. We got Sentret. We're getting extremely close down there. We got Lechonk, Combuskin, and an Ends Reshiram. Come on. We need 2 big hits in a row. We need a full art, an IR, and an EX all in a row. Whalmer, Cloth, Darumaka, Kecleon, and a Metagross. We have been getting pretty cooked lately. We haven't had for like 3 videos. Come on. We got an EX. Maybe we can get a double hit. Come on, at least give me an air. We got Audino, Geodude, and a Belly Bolt. Iono's Belly Bolt. Don't think we need this one, but I am not sure. Put that with Veluza. Come on. Let me see an Enzor art. Show me a Salamence. Fungus. Banette. We got Hop's Bag. Another reverse Ramambe. Black Belt Training. And a Lichen Rock. So that booster bundle was very, very rough. Alright. Last booster bundle. If you're actually here for the journey, we got 2 more in there. This one's going to make up for all the other ones. We're going to get 3 hits in this one. Show me a gold. Show me a full art. Alright, I think we're starting off with an EX. Hopefully it's not a repeat. There's another Articuno. We got Potswick. Ooh, reverse Metagross. Let's go. And a Salamence. What a pack. I know we need this Metagross. I think we might need this Salamence. Alright, there's one. Well, we've hit 2 IRs in a booster bundle before. Let's do it again. Brock. Volcarona. We got Torkoal. Remoraid. And Metagross again. Alright. Come on, Lily. Geodude. Claw. Larvesta. We got the Wailord. This is one of the only IRs we didn't have. I actually can't believe we got this. Love this card. Love the colors. The art is phenomenal. You got the boat there. Look how big this guy is. Let's go. That is a huge hit. So there's 2. We got 3 packs to get 1 more. Well, we got to make up for that other one. SIR incoming. Let's go. Loxic. Ends Reshiram. We are pulling some huge reverses that we need for the set. We got the Furry, Alolan Golem, Electrode, Delmise, Banette, and Butterfree. Come on, last pack magic. Let's end the booster bundles off right. I think it's going to be a letdown, but we will see. We got Maractus, Toedscruel, we got double Oinkalong, and a T-Tar. So, we did get a rare, so. But now we're on to the big boy box. Alright, I always hate opening these on camera, because never have any room. if you don't want to see how I open this. Alright, first we gonna do the promo. Alright. Easiest way to do it right there. Don't ever try to pull them out. Ooh, these even feel nice. We got the Prismatic Evolution Snorlax. They don't say promo, but they are stamped, so. And we got the Twilight Masquerade Blissey. I'm still debating if I want to put them with their respective sets or keep them all together in one book. We got the big boy Snorlax. That's going to be going in our giant card folder. And huge packs. I think it's only right we stay with Journey. Then we go Twilight. I mean, we have to end with Destin. I think this is... Is that? Look at that. It's mispackaged. I almost don't want to open this, but... Alright, come on. We got Torkoal, Kamala, Darmanitan, Lockfix, Combuskin, Perleon, Oricorio. Some different reverses. I like to see that. I don't think... Come on. Maybe. We got Wattrel. We got Squawkabilly. Cloth. Swinub. And a Meowscarada. Alright. Come on. We need him. We need the IR Latios. Or Latias. And the Pikachu himself. Pikachu is a very hard card to pull. We got Vulpix, Victini, Turtonator, Zabrisca. Let's go! We got a gold counter gain. I do believe we have that, but I will take a gold card. These are not easy to pull anymore. I'm not 100% sure if we do have that or not. Alright, well at least we got gold. Oh, we got some Ace Bet. Scramble Switch. Sizzlepede, and a Dialga. We'll take it, we'll take it. Alright, Twilight, Greninja. That's all we need. Shimiko. Mightyena, Applin, Hawlucha, and Infernape. Come on. Wow, that pack fell apart. Shinx, Clefairy, Poliwrath, Luxio. We got Lairon and Ogerpon. Ah, sheesh. Alright. It's all down to the last two. 2 Destined Rivals packs. Huge cards in this set. We want to see Blaziken. We want to see Mewtwo. We got Blipbug. Oh, we got an EX. We got Arbok, Metang, and Regirock. I'm not sure, we might actually need this. But that's not good for this last pack. Thank you all for watching. We're gonna get to the next ones in a future video. Let's do this. Hopefully Greninja is a little nicer to us. Oh, look at that. Look at how discolored those are. I got excited, but I don't think we got anything. Spikemuth, Muck, Metang, Breloom, Talo, and Spidos. If you liked the video, you know what to do. We got this nice Wailord. Along with some decent hits. We got the Salamence, the Regirock. So 2 IRs ain't bad. And we got some huge reverses. Thanks for watching. This is Shuddy out.